morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed binomial theorem. What is the binomial theorem and expansion of binomial theorem? A plus b raised to n, which is equals to nc0 a raised to n b raised to 0 plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 plus up to a ncn a raised to 0 b raised to n. Now we are going to discuss some questions related to our binomial theorem. Example number 1 is that expand x square plus 3 by x whole raised to 4 when x is not equals to 0. Here x is not equals to 0. This condition is given because x is in denominator here. Here denominator my x, therefore they are given that x is not equals to 0. But there is no need for this condition in the calculation of question. Question na calculations માં આની condition ની કોઈ જરૂર નથી. See here. First of all, we have to compare this term x square plus 3 by x whole raised to 4 with a plus b raised to n. First of all, compare it with a plus b raised to n. Therefore, we are getting a equals to x square, a equals to x square, b equals to 3 by x, and n equals to 4. b equals to 3 by x and n equals to 4 here. Now, write down the binomial theorem by using binomial theorem. So, what is binomial theorem? By use of binomial theorem, we can expand this x square plus 3 by x whole raised to 4. First of all, write down the binomial theorem. A plus b raised to n equals to nc0 a raised to n b raised to 0 plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 plus nc2 a raised to n minus 2 b raised to 2 plus up to nc n minus 1 a raised to 1 b raised to n minus 1 plus ncn a raised to 0 and b raised to n. This is your binomial theorem. Now put value of a equals to x square, b equals to 3 by x and n is equals to 4 in this binomial theorem. Therefore, we are getting x square plus 3 by x whole raised to 4, which is equals to n is equals to 4 c 0 a raised to 4 b raised to 0. So here a is equals to x square. Therefore, we can write x square raised to 4 into b means 3 by x raised to 0 plus nc1 means 4c1 a means x square raised to 4 અહીંયા 4 પાવર છે 4 minus 1 3 થશે તો ડાયરેક્ટલી તમે અહીંથી જ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ કરી લખો 4 પછી પાવર 3 થઈ જશે. Next 3 by x power will be increasing from 0 to 1 તો ડાયરેક્ટલી આ રીતે લખી શકશો કોઈ વાંધો નહીં plus 4c2 plus 4c2 x square raised to 2 and 3 by x raised to 2 plus 4c3 x square raised to 1 3 by x raised to 3 and the last one plus 4c4 x square raised to 0 3 by x raised to 4 here. Now simplify this thing. We are getting 4c0 answer is 1. X square raised to 4 answer is x raised to 8. X raised to 8 3 by x raised to 0 answer is 1. 1 into x raised to 8 that means x raised to 8 plus 4c1 answer of 4c1 is 4 by use of formula use કરીને भी calculate કરો ncr is equals to n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial તો તમને 4 મળશે. x square raised to 3, therefore we are getting x raised to 6 into 3 by x into 3 by x. Okay. Now the next step, plus 4c2. 4c2 will be calculated by 4 into 3, reduction of 4 up to 2 step. 4 into 3 divided by 2 factorial. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. The 6 answer is that 6 into x raised to 4 into 3 square, 9 divided by x square. 9 divided by x square. Plus 4c3, answer is 4, x square raised to 1, that means x square, into 3 cube, 27 divided by x cube here. Plus 4c4, answer is 1, this one is 1 and this one is 3 raised to 4, 81 divided by x raised to 4. Simplify this thing, we are getting which is equals to x raised to 8 plus 4 x raised to 6 divided by x means x raised to 5. 4 3s are 12 into x raised to 5 plus 9 6 are 54 into x raised to 4 divided by x square, that means x square here, plus 4 into 27, 4 into 27, 108 x square divided by x cube, that means 108 divided by x, plus the last one 81 divided by x raised to 4. A sequence wise decreasing power na order માં છે 8 5 2 પછી x raised to -1 and x raised to -4. Therefore, this is the expansion of x square plus 3 by x raised to 4. How can we calculate? By use of binomial theorem, it will be calculated and it is very easy to calculate. Now, the next question, exercise 8.1, question number 1 is that expand 1 minus 2x whole raised to 5. Okay, by using the binomial theorem we can expand it. First of all, we have to compare this term with a plus b raised to n. First of all, compare it with a plus b raised to n. Therefore, we are getting a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2x and n equals to 5. Now, write down the binomial theorem by using binomial theorem. First of all, write down the binomial theorem here. So, what is binomial theorem? A plus b whole raised to n, which is equals to nc0, a raised to n, b raised to 0 plus nc1, a raised to n minus 1, b raised to 1 plus nc2, a raised to n minus 2, b raised to 2 plus up to the second last term plus nc n minus 1, a raised to 1, b raised to n minus 1 plus ncn, a raised to 0, b raised to n is your last term. Clear? This is our binomial theorem. Put the value of a equals to 1 here, b equals to minus 2x here, and n is equals to 5. Therefore, we are getting 1 minus 2x raised to 5, which is equals to 5c0, 1 raised to 5 into minus 2x raised to 0 plus 5c1, 1 raised to 4 into minus 2x raised to 1 plus next step 5c2, 1 raised to 3 minus 2x raised to 2 plus 5c3 1 raised to 2 into minus 2x raised to 3 plus 5c4 1 raised to 1 into minus 2x raised to 4 plus 5c5 1 raised to 0 into minus 2x raised to 5 here. Okay, there are 6 number of terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 here. Okay, now simplify this thing. We are getting simplification 5c0 1 into 1 raised to 5 1 into minus 2x raised to 0 1, answer also 1 into 1 into 1 plus 5c1, answer is 5, 1 raised to 4 1 minus 2x raised to 1 minus 2x plus 5c2 will be calculated by directly 5 reduction of 5 up to 2 step means 5 into 4 divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 2. 5 4s are 20 divided by 2, 10 answer is there. So 10 into 1 into minus 2x raised to 2, answer is 4x square minus 2 square 4x square. Clear? Next 5c3 will be calculated. 5 reduction of 5 up to 3 step, 5 into 4 into 3 divide by 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. 3 will get cancelled out. 4 will 4 2s are 2 4s are sorry 2 2s are 4 એટલે એ cancel out થઈ જશે એટલે બીજી step be આવશે 5c3 will be equals to 10 also 5 2s are 10 એ બી તમે calculate કરશો એટલે એની વેલ્યુ બી 10 આવશે. Okay, so this will be 5c3 which is also equals to 10 into 1 raised to 1 minus 2x raised to 3 means minus 8x cube plus 5c4 will be equals to 5c4 equals to 5 into 1 into minus 2x raised to 4 means minus 2 raised to 4 16x raised to 4 and last one plus 5c5 1 raised to 0 1 into minus 2x raised to 5 means minus 32x raised to 5. Now simplify this thing. We are getting 1 into 1 into 1, 5 2s are 10 but minus 10x, 10 4s are 40, answer plus 40x square. Next 10 8s are minus 80x cube. Next 16 5s are 80x raised to 4 plus symbol is there and last one minus 32x raised to 5. This is your expansion of 1 minus 2x raised to 5. This is the expansion of 1 minus 2x raised to 5. આ રીતે તમે by using binomial theorem we can calculate any expansion. Okay, now we are going to discuss some more questions. Please write down it. Now we are going to discuss some more questions related to expansion. Exercise 8.1 question number 2. Expand 2 by x minus x by 2 whole raised to 5 by using binomial theorem. You have to calculate question number 3 in your self practice. This is quite easy question. Now I am going to discuss question number 2 here. First of all, we have to compare it with a plus b raised to n. First of all, we have to compare it with a plus b raised to n. Then I will get a equals to 2 by x, b equals to minus x by 2 and n equals to 5 here. First of all, write down the binomial theorem by using binomial theorem. So write down binomial theorem first. What is binomial theorem? A plus b whole raised to n will be equals to nc0 a raised to n b raised to 0 plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 plus up to more directly last step lagu a ncn a raised to 0 b raised to n here. Okay, we can understand it easily. Now put the value of a equals to 2 by x, b equals to minus x by 2 and n is equals to 5. In this binomial theorem we are getting, therefore we are getting 2 by x minus x by 2 whole raised to 5, which is equals to 5c0 2 by x raised to 5 into minus x by 2 raised to 0 plus 5c1 2 by x raised to 4 into minus x by 2 raised to 1 plus 5c2 2 by x raised to 3 into minus x by 2 raised to 2 plus 5c3 2 by x raised to 2 minus x by 2 raised to 3. Next plus 5c4 2 by x raised to 1 minus x by 2 raised to 4 and plus 5c5 2 by x raised to 0 minus x by 2 raised to 5. This is your last step. Total number of terms in this expansion are 5 plus 1, that means 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now simplify these terms. We are getting 5c0, answer is 1, into 2 by x raised to 5, 2 by x raised to 5, which is equals to 2 raised to 5, 32 divided by x raised to 5, 32 divided by x raised to 5 into 1 minus x by 2 raised to 0 is 1 plus 5c1, answer is 5, 2 by x raised to 4 minus x by 2 raised to 1, which is equals to 2 raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 1 will equals to 2 raised to 3, which is equals to 8 here. 2 raised to 3, which is equals to 8 here. Divide by x raised to 4 into x raised to 1 divided by x raised to 4. We can directly write down x raised to 3 here. જો ખબર ના પડે તો એક સ્ટેપ વધારે લખીને કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરજો. 2 raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 1, that means 2 raised to 3, which is equals to 8. X raised to 1 divided by x raised to 4, therefore we can write directly x raised to 3, but minus sign is there. Minus raised to 1 power is there, therefore minus 8 by x cube is there. Next 5c2 will equals to 5 4s are 20 divided by 2, 10 into 2 by x raised to 3 minus x by 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 2, which is equals to 2 divided by x raised to 3, x raised to 2 in numerator and x raised to 3 in denominator. Therefore, we are getting x in denominator, x raised to 1. Okay, and minus square plus minus square, which is equals to plus here. Next 5c3, which is also equals to 10. 5c3, which is equals to 10. 2 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 3, which is equals to 1 by 2. तो नीचे आवश्यक डिनोमिनेटर में 2 minus x cube divided by x square, which is equals to minus x cube divided by x square, which is equals to minus x, plus next step 5c4, answer is 5. 2 raised to 1 divided by 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 1 divided by 2 raised to 4, in denominator it is equals to 8. Next, x raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 means plus x raised to 4 divided by x raised to 1, x raised to 4 divided by x raised to 1, which is equals to x cube here, plus 5c5, which is equals to 1, 2 by x raised to 0, which is also 1, minus x by 2 raised to 5, so minus x raised to 5, minus x raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 5, 32 here. Now simplify these terms also, we can get 1 into 32 by x raised to 5 into 1, therefore we are getting 32 by x raised to 5. This will become minus 8 5s are 40, 40 divided by x cube. Next, 10 2s are 20 divided by x, 20 divided by x, minus 5 2s are 10, means minus 5x, minus 5x is there, 5 by 8x cube, this is equals to plus 5 by 8x cube. The last one, 32 minus x raised to 5 divided by 32. This is the expansion of 2 by x minus x by 2 raised to 5. See here, minus symbol is there. Therefore, first term is positive, second negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, last minus sign depends on the power of b raised to n. If n is odd, then last sign is minus. If n is even, then last sign is plus here. Okay, so see here, this is the expansion of 2 by x minus x by 2 raised to 5. Okay, now we are going to discuss the next question. The next question is question number 5. Question number 4 is also similar to this type of question. In this question, power 5 is there. Question number 4, power 5 is there. That for total number of terms are 6, and we can calculate it easily like this. Calculate. So you have to do question number 4 in your self practice. Now I am giving the solution of question number 5, x plus 1 by x whole raised to 6 here. So first of all, we have to compare it with a plus b raised to n. Therefore, I will get a equals to x here, a plus b equals to 1 upon x, and n equals to 6 here. Clear? So a, b and n are here. Now, by using binomial theorem, first of all, write down the binomial theorem first. What is binomial theorem? Binomial theorem will be a plus b raised to n, which is equals to nc0 a raised to n b raised to 0 plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 plus up to ncn a raised to 0 b raised to n, and directly write down the last term here. Okay, now put the value of a, b and n in the binomial theorem. We are getting x plus 1 upon x whole raised to 6, which is equals to n equals to 6 is 0, a equals to x raised to 6 into b 1 upon x raised to 0 plus 6c1 x raised to 5 into 1 upon x raised to 1 power of x raised to 6 is decreasing and 1 upon x is increasing continuously by 1 plus 6c2 x raised to 4 1 upon x raised to 2 plus 6c3 x raised to 3 1 upon x raised to 3 plus 6c4 x raised to 2 1 upon x raised to 4 plus 6c5 x raised to 1 upon x raised to 5 and last term 6c6 x raised to 0 1 upon x raised to 6 here. Now simplify this term and expand this calculation. We are getting 6c01 x raised to 6 into 1 into x raised to 6 into 1 plus 6c1 answer is 6 x raised to 5 1 upon x raised to 5 divided by x which is equals to x raised to 4 directly. We can calculate it directly plus 6c2 becomes 6 5s are 30 divided by 2 15 into x raised to 4 divided by x square 1 upon x will becomes 1 upon x square. The x raised to 4 divided by x square will become x square plus 6c3 will be equals to 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 which is equals to 6 will get cancelled out. Therefore answer is 5 4s are 20 x raised to 3 into 1 upon x cube x raised to 3 into 1 upon x cube will become plus 1. Next plus 6c4 which is also equals to 6c2 any value 6c2 ने equal था because 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, therefore we can directly write it is equals to 15 into x square into 1 upon x raised to 4 x square into 1 upon x raised to 4 which is equals to 1 upon x square plus next step 6c5 will become 6 x raised to 1 into 1 upon x raised to 5 x raised to 1 into 1 upon x raised to 5 will become 1 upon x raised to 4 plus 6c6 answer is 1 x raised to 0 is 1 upon x raised to 6. Now simplify these terms. We are getting x raised to 6 into 1 into 1 x raised to 6 plus 6x raised to 4 plus 15x square plus 20 plus 15 divided by x square plus 6 by x raised to 4 and the last term will be 1 upon x raised to 6. See here, total number of terms in the expansion of x plus 1 upon x raised to 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We know that which is equals to 6 plus 1. Total number of terms. This is the required expansion. This is the expansion of x plus 1 upon x raised to 6. क्लियर? तो આજના વિડિયોમાં આપણે આટલે સુધી રાખીએ છીએ. ચલો આજના વિડિયોમાં તમે જે એક્સપાન્શન કેવી રીતે થાય છે તો એની માટેના સ્ટેપ્સ જોઈ લઈએ. પહેલા તો કમ્પેર કરો, then find the value of a, b and n. By use of binomial theorem you have to put the value of a, b and n in your binomial theorem. We can calculate it easily. તો આજનો આ વિડિયો તમને ગમ્યો હશે, મજા આવી હશે તો લાઈક કરો, શેર કરો અને કોમેન્ટ ખાસ કરો. જો આપણી ચેનલને હજુ સુધી સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ના કરી હોય તો ખાસ સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી બાજુમાં આપેલું બેલ આઇકોન દબાવી રાખો. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.